Today I'm going to show you how you can upload full screen videos to TikTok. So first of all, what we need to do is head over to our TikTok. So once we open up TikTok, what we need to do now is we need to start creating a TikTok or upload a video that we've previously recorded. So click on the plus icon. Once we do this, what you can do if you want to make this full screen is you need to record in landscape mode. So let's just say we record in landscape mode, right? So right now we are recording this video. Once you're happy with this, what you can do is you can go ahead and then go to adjust clips on the right hand side. Click on this, and then what you need to do now is you need to rotate it so it's like this. Once you do that, you can then go ahead, click on save, and then once you've obviously uploaded this to your TikTok page, people will then be able to view this in full screen. If you've already got a video, what we can do is we can click on upload. We can then click on the video that we've obviously videoed in landscape, click on next. And then as you can see, once you've uploaded this, they will also be able to watch this in full screen mode. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.